Hi, I'm Terry, and I'm going to be talking to you about our split end prevention for thin to medium kit. Now, what this kit includes is the Caviar Volume Shampoo, the Caviar Volume Conditioner, and the Away Nurturing Drops. The Caviar Volume Shampoo, what it does is without making the hair heavy, it goes in and it moisturizes and rebalances and restores. And then the conditioner goes in and seals up everything to protect your mid shaft to ends, which that's where you should be applying the conditioner, not so much on the root area, just from mid shaft to ends. Then after you finish that part, you're gonna go and either let your hair air dry or go in and style the way you normally would. And then my favorite thing to use is the Away Nurturing Drops. And why it's my favorite? It's because it really does actually help to prevent any split ends. If you have split ends already, this will just kind of protect a little bit of moisture, and it'll seal up those ends so that more hair doesn't split. It smells amazing too, and then it basically goes in and reinforces the structure of the marula and hydrate and restore the ends. So it creates a layer of protection so that even if you're outside from the sun, or you go in with your blow dryer or your flat iron, it really helps prevent it. Now, if you are gonna flat iron, I do recommend going in with something, a lighter oil, and then seal it up with the Away Nurturing Drops. All right, so this kit is all been put together to prolong your haircut so that we know that we can't come into the salon right now, but this kit is definitely gonna help to make sure your haircut stays maintained and prevents it from getting damaged. So I hope you enjoy this kit that we have put together for you. Thank you.